Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you are all doing well. So today I've come down to check out the new releases from Samsung, and I wanted to check out the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro just to decide whether I want to upgrade to the new watch or not. Let me know if you're upgrading or considering upgrading, and let's check out the watches.
Actually, I want to try that one and see how it looks.
Let me see your one and compare it.
Quite a bigger, much bigger screen.
Yeah, and the much bigger.
I want to see how it looks on the wrist. Looks a bit big, but that's because of the way the belt is.
And also because the security thing is on.
Yeah.
So it's a bit bulky.
And this doesn't have the rotation bezel anymore.
Your phone is there in your pocket.
You know, used to have the rotation.
The rotation bezel that was there. That's not there anymore.
It's not there anymore.
The rotation bezel was actually quite good.
Yeah, so that's quite annoying. They don't have this.
My one doesn't have the rotation, and it's quite annoying to move it around.
Your one does.
But yes, on the screen.
Yeah, your one has a digital. But this one's got a huge battery.
What's the battery life like?
I think they're saying 3 days on a single charge.
Oh, that's good. So at the moment, I'm charging mine every day.
Yeah. And the difference as well is this is made with titanium. It's really strong material. Ours is made of aluminium. The screen is sapphire, so it's really solid, strong screen that's not going to get scratched very easily. Ours are they're not on the same level.
Yeah. How much is this one?
This one, I think, £549 is what they said. Look at this one.
I thought they were offering some way you get one of those for free when you order.
But remember, this is the Pro version. We're going to look at the non-Pro version, which is equivalent to your one. It's there. Just check something. These are the watch faces. Similar to what we have on Watch 4. But screen is much bigger, which is quite nice, and it's got new sensors. I think temperature sensor. I don't know what it does exactly, but this one is designed for more professional outdoor use. Feels quite solid, really solid actually.
More sports.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the page.
Let me put my one back on. You can compare with your one.
New Watch 5 replacing this one, which is the 4. Can you open that?
It's quite light. Try it next to your one. Again, it's got a new sapphire screen, which is very tough. And I think this one also has a, I don't know if it's titanium or...
You can see the sensor at the back.
Yeah, they got
I like the belt. I didn't really like the black belt that came with this one, so I actually took my husband's white belt. This one has a grey belt, which I think looks much better than the black belt that came with the Watch 4. Let's try it on. There's a flag here. Actually looks better, doesn't it, than my 4, because the 4 I think is a slightly bigger one. Is it bigger or the same?
No.
It probably stands out because of the color of the belt.
I think the 5 has a bigger screen.
Okay, yeah, it looks bigger. The 5 looks small. This one, yeah? Is that?
No, the 5, the new one. I think it has a bigger screen.
Is it? Why does it look smaller?
Oh, maybe this one has a smaller screen. They do come with options of bigger screens. Because yours is a 40.
Yeah, this one might be a...
I don't know what this one is. Where's the...
38, is it?
Probably 38, yeah.
Do you know what size screen this one has? What size?
40. Oh, this one's 40.
Yeah.
So they're both 40 then.
Yeah.
I don't know why it looks... I think it looks same to me.
I think it's because of the belt. This belt is much more thinner. It looks a bit small compared to the white belt here. So I think it's the
you've got the different colors there, the belt.
And of course you got the lilac here. And with the silver trimming.
Yeah.
I think the silver trimming.
Your one's got black.
Nicer.
Your one's got silver trimming. Yeah, it's black. Yours is black.
Yeah, mine's black. But actually, I prefer the grey belt with that trimming.
So we usually make a titanium. Ideally, it's more durable.
Look at the other flip color. You want to try the?
Really nice.
You want to try the Pro on your hand?
Where is it? That would be too big. That would be too big for me.
Okay.
I also wanted to quickly show you that if you order any Galaxy Watch 5 variant from Samsung.com, you have the option to customize your watch by going into the bespoke customization studio. As you can see here, I am customizing Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that I'm about to order. There is a range of straps and color options to choose from for any of the Watch 5 variant that adds some personalization to your watch. That's all for today, guys. We've ordered the Watch 5 Pro with customized strap. Let me know if you ordered any of the watches. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. And watch out for the new review videos of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well as the new Galaxy Fold 4. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.